Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. This video illustrates GS12170 SDI-to-HDMI demo setup and startup procedure using reference design board RDK GS12170S2H. If you want more information about GS12170 and the reference design kit, please visit semtech.com. This demonstration setup uses Blackmagic Design Hyperdeck as SDI signal generator that outputs 12G SDI 3840 by 2160 progressive 5994 YCbCr 422 10-bit. The coax cable is Belden 1694A 1 meter. HDMI cable must be category 3 or better. Samsung 4K monitor is used as HDMI receiver in this demo. 12G SDI signal from Blackmagic Hyperdeck connect to SDI input of RDK GS12170S2H. RDK GS12170S2H bridges 12G SDI signal to HDMI signal. The HDMI signal output connect to HDMI receiver in this demo, Samsung 4K monitor, right monitor. The left monitor displays GUI to control RDK GS12170S2H board. Next, I present the startup procedure. First, connect DC 12V, then micro USB cable, SDI cable, and HDMI cable. Second, launch GUI GS12170. Third, select board RDK with SDI HDMI mode on top left of GUI. Fourth, select RDK SDI to HDMI. If the board is not connected USB, this doesn't indicate. Fifth, click Initialize Device button right of GUI. 6. Go to File, Load Configuration. 7th, select GS12170 config SDI HDMI RDK file. 8th, check single and GS12170 GB1, then click OK. All done. You will see the picture on HDMI receiver. Let's start RDK GS12170S2H startup demonstration video. If you have any question about GS12170, please email to broadcastvideo@semtech.com or contact Semtech Sales and or FAE. Thank you for watching and see you next time.